Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can share screen on interactive flat panel display with eShare Pro or eShare app that you can find in a Play Store or App Store. So here we go. I installed this eShare on my Android phone, so you can find it on Play Store. So what is eShare? This is the eShare app that can this is a multi-function app. So you can try to share your TV projector, your phone or your tablet and stream any audio or video file to your TV. Use your smartphone as remote control for your TV. Mirror the screen of Android device to your TV, mirror TV screen to smartphone, and touch the screen directly to control TV, just like you are touching your TV. So here, make sure you prepare your Android phone or tablet, and also you need a TV or projector here, a IFPD IWB with eShare server or eShare Pro pre-installed on that a TV or projector. So here, make sure your smart TV also got eShare Pro installed. So after that, you can try to share your screen with the device that also has eShare application. So here, for example, some features like eShare server, browser, visualizer, download, and so on. So you can share your image. Also here, you can scan this QR code to connect with your smart TV or just a TV that have a eShare Pro installed. This is configuration, ensure that all devices are connected to the same network, and here we go, you can connect. So launch eShare and select eShare type. So feel free to try to download this app, use this app as a mirror to or share screen. eShare is a multi-screen interaction application for tablet and phones. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.